G'day folks, it's Chris Parsons here. Let's go through Miracast together. It's worth mentioning that we are using the 9-inch system display found in X-Terrain and LSU models. Should you have an LSM or SX with a 7-inch system display, most features carry over with identical functionality. Now before we get started, make sure your car is safely in park with the handbrake on and the ignition is set to accessories. Miracast offers an alternative wireless connection for your smartphone. It mirrors what's on your phone's display and casts it onto the infotainment screen. Think of it as HDMI via Wi-Fi. Now, its key advantage is the ability to display the smartphone natively with no restriction on third-party apps. It works on most Android and Windows-based smartphones, and setting up the connection is easy. First, you want to make sure Wi-Fi is enabled on your device. Now, on the infotainment system, press the Home button. Then tap the connected icon and then select Miracast. You'll now be prompted to alter the Wi-Fi settings within the infotainment system. Tap on the Wi-Fi setting icon and select Miracast. A connection waiting notification should appear. Now on your smartphone, open the Smart View app and then select Car Audio. Confirm this prompt by selecting Start Now. Back on the infotainment screen, select OK to the Connect invitation prompt. And you're all done. Each device's setup may vary, so please follow the prompts on your device. Now you are ready to enjoy an alternative wireless smartphone experience. For more information, visit isuzuute.com.au.